Yo, what is up, guys? Today we are back, and today we are doing a card trick for you. It is actually a card trick that I designed. So, yeah. I don't think it's that good. Skill level is 1. Basically, it's just a easy card trick. It's kind of a cheat for beginners that I actually invented. But I am not the king of card tricks. The king of card tricks is Spencer. He is one of the founders of this channel. And you have probably seen him in the Golf Clash videos, other videos like that. So today we are doing a card trick. And basically, you just need a deck of cards. And so, before you perform this, you're going to go in private. And you're going to pick the top and the bottom card. And so you're going to put these cards. This is the Ace of Diamonds and the 6 of Clubs. So, and then you think of a combination of these two cards, which would be the 6 of Diamonds or the Ace of Clubs. So just pick one. Let's just do the Ace of Clubs. And then you want to go find that card. There's the Ace of Spades. There's the Ace of Clubs. So you find that card, you turn it over, and in private, you mark that card. This is a cheat to magic. You just mark that card with some kind of pen mark, a pencil, a Sharpie, and then you have your card marked up. Make it kind of unnoticeable right there. And then you just want to put it back in your deck in the middle. Alright, now you're going to put the top and the bottom card. Alright, now you are ready to perform. Before you go, just get all ready. Got all that ready. And now you're ready to perform. So, what you're going to tell the spectator is you're going to do a magical shuffle that's going to reveal only 2 cards left in the deck. So what you do is you basically just rub these together, keep rubbing the deck together, until the top and the bottom card are just left in your hands. That's just an easy, simple shuffle that you're going to perform for the spectator. So you're going to turn these 2 over, the 6 of Clubs and the Ace of Diamonds, and then you're going to say to the spectator, let's think of a card that is a combination of these 2 cards. So, you just think about it, and then you say, okay, we're going to put those 2 cards to the side, and we are going to lay out all these cards here. I'm going to find a combination. So you just look for the marked card, make it seem magical. You say, alright, the marked card. You say, alright, here's the card. I think this is a combination of those 2 cards. Let's see if it is. And it is the Ace of Clubs. And so basically, that is the end of the trick, guys. So, you have your 6 of Clubs, your Ace of Diamonds, and you just combine those 2. It's pretty easy. I invented it. And there you go. With your first beginner magic trick. It's kind of a cheat. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on your notifications. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.